Well, here we are on the MSC Seashore, finally leaving Port Canaveral. Not finally, but it's about 5 p.m. on Sunday, September the 15th. And here I am with my lovely wife.
Yes.
And have a nice little balcony here. It's not very big, but you know what? It's a balcony, and we paid for an interior room, so we are definitely not complaining. We're extremely happy. And we're now leaving Port Canaveral. Over there in the distance is the VAB, Vehicle Assembly Building, at Cape Canaveral, or Kennedy Space Center. And here we go. We're off to sea.
Off we go.
7 nights on this wonderful ship. And
so excited.
Yes. Tell us about it.
So excited to just relax, get away from it all. No cell phones, no internet, no nothing. Just me, hubby, and this balcony, and
the Bahamas and Cozumel and Costa. We've been to all of them, but still, it's always nice to get away. And they're down there in some big hot tub. There's a bunch of people down there making a bunch of noise, but that's all right. We're a couple of old fogies.
Yep. We're definitely not by the party.
No, probably not. So, what's the show we're going to go see tonight?
The Journey.
The Journey. I don't know what it's about, but I'll find out. And where are we eating?
Central Park.
Central Park Restaurant. So here we are, day one. We're on our way. Next stop, the Bahamas. See you later, guys.
Bye.
Bye. Okay, so here's the noisy people down there in the hot tub. So, see, this is the GoPro. The other video footage I shoot on my Sony, which to me is way better. I don't like this horizon, this weird horizon thing, the way this films. It's good, and the only problem with the GoPro is you can't zoom. Maybe the newer ones you can. This is a GoPro 7, so I've had this for a few years. We bought this for when we went to Croatia sailing. That 45-foot catamaran, that was amazing, but it was more of just family. And daughter-in-law's dad is a captain, so he captained us, and yeah, that was a great trip. But you know what? Every trip is its own memory. And you know what? As a kid, we lived in Eastbourne when I was 5 years old. We moved to England when I was 5. Well, actually I was still 4, but getting ready to turn 5. But we lived in Eastbourne, in Sussex, south coast of England. And ever since then, it's always been my dream to be at sea. So this is just one of those things that brings me peace. I love the ocean. I love beaches. And I love this. And hopefully, I know on our first cruise we went together, we saw flying fish, tons of dolphins. Hopefully we'll see that on this cruise too. But you know what? It's just good. We've been under a lot of stress this year. So it's good to get away and spend time with my wife. And actually, you know what? There's no agenda. You know, we don't have any excursions booked. We just plan on just doing whatever we feel like doing. If we want to go ashore, we'll go ashore. If we don't, we won't. So this is just going to be a nice, relaxing time. And thank goodness I'm well. Yesterday, yesterday, man, I was not feeling well at all. So thank goodness it was enough. Okay. Anyway, hon, what have you got to say for yourself? Anything?
No, just plan on having a great time.
Amen. Awesome.